Folks, we're back with another Christmas video. Today we're going to do some gift basket ideas. If you've never done it, you might really get some ideas and like it. Right here on my take on home and garden. If you saw our front porch video, I did a ribbon making tutorial slightly, but I'm gonna repeat it a little bit, not take too much time, but for people that missed it. And we're gonna take our piece of ribbon and we're gonna find the middle, okay? Which I've done. Now I'm gonna fold it and get it in my hand like this, back and forth. Take your thumb and hold it like this. Go back and forth. Just like ribbon candy. Okay? And then we're going to have a little piece left out like that. Flip it over. Do that again with this half. In the front porch video, I showed you where you would leave these tails up and tie this whole bottom. I'm showing you a different way. You take it in the middle, okay, like that. Take your strong twist tie, and I'm telling you, a bread package twist tie isn't strong enough. They won't last for you. Now the ones that are tough are the ones that come on the little mini lights. Okay, those work really good, and that's what I do. I save them, and they're going to end up probably in a bow like this. Now I've twisted that around the middle as tight as I can, just to show you. Okay, this is, get that in the center. Okay, so we're sitting there like that. Here is the first way. I've already pre-done it. We fold it back and forth, left the tails up, so you end up looking like kind of like the Statue of Liberty. See, like this. So now, you know, we put the tie around just the bottom. You see the difference? The middle or the bottom. Now, like peeling a banana, you're going to open that all up, pull it down, and get your individual loops. Okay, we'll speed this up for you, and you just want to pull that around as evenly as you can and make a cluster of loops. Your wire, by the way, I'm using wire rimmed ribbon, but you have to hold the shape. You know that anyway. Those of you that are sitting there saying, well, I don't want to do that, that's too much, I'll buy my ribbon. Well, okay, but let me say and remind you, this little bit of work, okay, they want $5 for a spool of ribbon like this, and then if they make it into a bow, they want another $5. So I'm telling you, they're crazy lately with the prices. Okay, so here is our first bow. And once we get that on our package, we can really get it fixed up. See here. Now put this on our basket. Give it one square knot tie. See if that'll hold it. Now we can open our loops and get an even looking bow out of this. You can get that perfect as much as you want. Here's our next bow. Same idea. Now you got two clusters of loops. So we're going to open them all up on both sides. Open your loop. The wire's going to hold it. All opened up from that other technique. Okay, almost all. And we'll get that, because again, once it's on the handle, you know, you're gonna do better getting that perfect and even. Simple square knot. You can get that back off, or, you know, the person that's getting the gift can save that bow if they want to. Once we're on, like I say, you can get this squared away, all opened up and even. Alrighty, now here is one idea. Let's get this bow ends curled slightly to give it some character. One idea is, I'd like to point out another reason for this video. Have you seen the prices of the pre-made gift baskets and stacks of gift boxes? There's 4 or 5 gift boxes made of cardboard in a stack with a ribbon around it with cellophane around it and maybe a bow. Okay, they look stunning. That's the whole idea. The guy in a hurry, the guy that don't want to put it together, the lady that thinks she doesn't have the time to do it. Okay? I looked at these hard in the store before I did this video. There is 16 ounces of food and candy value in this entire thing for $19.95. If you took away all the foo-foo, the cardboard, the plastic, and the bologna, you could hold this 16 ounces of food value in your sugar in your hand, and you just paid $20 for. So that's the inspiration for this video, but I'm going to show you how reasonable, and we'll just blow the store ones away when we're done. Okay, now again, we're back to Uncle Wally's. You know, I like to go there. Here's their 688 garland again. Okay, I bought a couple more. I fluffed it all out. Now I've cut this into 4 pieces. Okay, so now you're down to like $1.75. This is gonna line and start making our basket special. I'm gonna do a half a turn around the one handle, and I'm gonna have it come up a bit over the side. Let's take some pre-made gifts, which you saw in the gift wrapping video. Why not use them, right? Look at this. Now this is a big, beautiful basket, and you could say, well, you know, those cost money too. But let me tell you, a basket this size, on sale, you want to be smart, get them ahead. Get them at your Joann's, Michael's, or Hobby Lobby, you know, all the good ones. And they don't even have to be this elaborate. And there's real cheap rattan ones that don't have a handle, if you want to go that way. Okay, but let's look at the basics. We got 2 gifts in there. We might be able to squeeze in one more. Let's put it in this way. Okay. Then, who wouldn't want a Christmas coffee? This person was getting these gifts anyway. This beautiful coffee, which I mentioned before, from Marshall's White Coffee Company. We just had some. It's out of this world. The peppermint one. Oh, it's so Christmassy. It has Christmas spices. It's just fabulous. Look at how we're looking now, guys. Now, the family gets together. We're gonna have a video on it, and we do our homemade Christmas cookies. Now, I found this incredible olive oil dispenser. Look at this. Say it was only $3. I loved it for $3. Now look at it in our basket. So, as a designer, I look at things to coordinate the basket as well. This is the fun for me. I got to do the work, but this, I can have a little fun too. That's what I'm trying to convey. Now, we're taking it to another level. Look at these. Everybody knows these Purolin thin wafer rolled chocolate sticks. If you haven't had them yet, you're missing life, guys. Let's get that in there. Well, I got a little space, so you know what? Let's go with some old ways. I'm sure a lot of you still do it. Who doesn't want a little fruit in the basket? What else can we squeeze in here? 3 apples, a banana. We got our wonderful Purolin cream-filled wafer sticks. This person's gonna get some red Jingle Bells, which I had showed you in another video. Here is like a $3 teddy bear holding a gift, and we're gonna see if we can get him in there too. Then up in the top, if we still got room, everybody knows the Danish butter cookies that come in the cuter than heck tin like this. Look at this. And we're gonna get that in the top. You remember my haul, hopefully. And we took those picks and cut them up. So, if you recall, they came out to be way less than $1 a pick. Now, we're gonna augment our basket. We don't have to spend a bunch, but we're gonna kick it up with a couple of these. They can save them forever or give them back. There's 2 of them at like 60 cents a piece, and I'm gonna go with 1 more of the cute frosty leaf and berries and pine cone pick. And we'll get that in down here in the bottom. We're gonna set that aside and do 1 more. This one is gonna be in the blue tones. And it's gonna be a little different. Now we have a sweep of cypress, frozen cypress, look. We're gonna half curl that around in the basket like this. Let it hang over. Here is a pre-made package with the blues, the pine tree. We can tip that in there. And you can see the size of baskets that you could use. But it depends on what you want to include in it or what you want to give. Okay? So, Uncle Phil's pork rinds. Aunt Gladys will be a little bent about it that we got them for them. Just to give you an idea. Get that other camera over here. Even our gifts have tones of blue, you see. And then the bells we're given are gold. So they're gonna go with our package. Here's our cute tin of Danish butter cookies, $2.99. This is gonna probably just about top that off. Look how cute. We got a blue holly pick to the front and center. And those were cut up and cost almost, I don't think they're 10 cents a piece. These little picks on sale with a silver tone, a bluebird, and a pine cone. And the pine, we're gonna put him right there. Look at this, how cute. These come out to $1.20 if you remember. I don't want to cover that cute tin. One more cute country pick. Okay guys, here's our country basket. Now I'm gonna take you and show you all around.
Hurry, hurry, Mama's looking worried. Will the pie be ready in time? Papa's out getting a tree while my sister and me are writing verses and rhymes. Soon they will be here, same as every year. Everyone wants home for Christmas. No matter if it's near or far, everyone wants home for Christmas.
So folks, if you liked our gift basket idea video today, give us a like, a share, a comment, send over the folks, and maybe they'll subscribe. We'll make it fun right here on My Take on Home and Garden. And please follow us on Instagram. Check it out. You might get some ideas. You might like it too. Thanks guys, and we'll see you in the next Christmas video.
Will be here, the same.